guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I am Shamir Nicole and you are watching Girl Yes, the channel where we are learning to be bold, ambitious, and beautiful together. So today I have my coffee here and I really wanted to talk to you guys about something that people don't necessarily want to discuss. I don't really think we even think about it though, but I want to talk to you guys because it's something I've been really thinking about for like the last week or whatever, and it's the journey of wanting and desiring to be more than what you are, going through the steps of changing yourself for the better. Like, you're making all these positive changes. You're leveling up in your life, you're leveling up in your business, you're leveling up in your career, you're leveling up in your relationships, you're happy, and you are finally standing on business this year and doing all of the things that you want to do, and you're flourishing, right? The part that people don't discuss and the part that people don't think about when they go through this process is grieving and mourning the person that you used to be. I think when we think of like leveling up and glowing up and all of this stuff, right, we always think, oh, I was such a bad person, I was a negative person and all of this, and I became this superwoman, right? That's not always the case. Some people didn't mind the life that they used to have. They didn't mind the lifestyle that they used to live or the people they used to be around. It was probably family and friends. These are people that we loved. These were people that we spent our entire childhoods with, our entire careers with, right? These aren't necessarily like bad people, but when we are starting these self-love journeys and we're starting these transformation journeys and we're starting these glow up challenges and all of this stuff, it's really just because we have a desire to be more than who we currently are. And a lot of times this journey will take you to a place that you didn't even think that you wanted to go, that you were willing to go, or that you even really truly have desires to go. But when you continue to take this journey and take this walk, you will find yourself in a place or a new season of your life that is the total opposite of what you have been in all of your life. You're around different people, you're around different environments, and this may be a good thing, but then you realize that you can't go back. You can't go back and hang with your cousins and them and go out and you know, be at the club or do or you know, drinking and carrying or whatever it was that you was doing. You can't be that person no more. You're not that person no more, and now you have to grieve the person that you once was. That is sometimes is a hard pill to swallow, and it's something that people don't always talk about. You got to grieve those relationships that you now got to cut off. You got to grieve, even if it's a platonic relationship or it's a romantic relationship, right? When you become a different, I wouldn't say even different, when you become a better version of yourself, the stuff that you once desired, the people that you once desired to be with and be around, you're not going to desire them anymore. You're not going to want to be around them anymore because you have different tastes now. And that's not to say that you're a bad person or that they are bad people or that the environment was bad. You just want more. You want something different, right? And so the things that you were attracted to, you're not going to be attracted to them anymore. And it's tough. It is really tough. And I thought about this even when I thought about my own journey. There are people that have seen me at my lowest, people who have been around me when I wasn't the best version of myself, and they didn't judge me, not that I know of. They didn't judge me. They didn't make me feel bad about myself. They did not, you know, make me feel insecure or any of those things. But I'm now in a new season of my life. And it's not that I love them any less. And it's not that I don't desire to be around them. But I also know that the oil that I carry now, I can't pour in those environments. I can't use my energy and exude my energy in those spaces now because it's going to require too much of me. And that's not what I'm willing to risk. It's not what I'm willing to give up. It's not what I'm willing to exhaust or pour from my cup anymore. And like I said, it's really a tough thing to think about and to go through, and it's not often talked about because people always like to romanticize the process of becoming the best version of ourselves and growing up and leveling up. And they talk about how, you know, wearing new clothes and wearing new shoes and, you know, acquiring a new wardrobe is the best thing about your glow up challenge. And yes, that's great and it's fun and, you know, it's exciting. But the part they don't talk about is the mental change, the mindset shift that is required now in order for you to maintain that glow up and maintain that level up and to maintain this new environment that you have created and cultivated for yourself. And a part of that is mourning people, mourning places. I would say people more so, but mourning people that aren't dead. I've had to do that more than once, and it sucks. It sucks. But I will say that I don't regret it. I don't regret it. I don't regret it, and I know that it's worth it. And when you go through this process, it's not going to always feel like it's worth it. But because I've gotten to the other side of my mourning, and I've gotten to the other side of my wilderness experience and not understanding what was happening, I now realize that it is a requirement for the life that I want to lead to be able to learn to let go and to be able to learn to reset my mindset as often as I need to in order for me to acquire the new things that I want. So at the bottom of all of this and at the heart of the matter is, what are you willing to risk in order to achieve the dream? You're going to have to let some stuff go. You're going to have to be able to lose on time, lose out on experiences, lose out on relationships, lose out on different doors that you might want to walk through in order for you to have that delayed gratification. I really just wanted to kind of really, I guess, put that bug into your ear and let you know that it's okay to mourn that loss. It's okay to miss out on that life that you used to live, all the exciting stuff that you were doing and all the exciting people that you were being around, because you are trying to achieve this long-term dream or this goal that you have, and you don't see the fruits of your labor right now. It's not going to always seem like it's worth it. But again, because I've gone through this process multiple times at this point, and it's always going to require me to shift my mindset, I have to now think of not of the things that I'm losing. I have to think about or shift my mind to focus on the things that I'm gaining, the new perspective, the new environments, the new incentives, the new goals, the new drive, the new results, right? I have to shift my mind to think of those things that are good, think of those things that are true, all of the biblical stuff. But think about all of those things that come with this new lifestyle, this new mindset, and all of the possibilities that I now have at my disposal because I was willing to give up that old lifestyle, give up that old mindset in order for me to acquire more. So I just wanted to kind of throw that bug into your ear today and to let you know that it is going to be worth it. And yes, it is not going to always be easy, and yes, you're going to mourn, and yes, you're going to, you know, feel disheartened when you think about the things and the people that you have to leave behind. But I want you to remember that every new level that you're trying to achieve in your life is going to require you to shift. And when you shift, you have to remove. You can't go into a new season of your life doing old things with old people in old environments. I like to think of my life's challenges and analogies because I think it's easier for me to understand, but it's also easier for me to explain to other people. And as I'm speaking to you guys, the analogy that's kind of like placed onto my heart right now is, you can't take all of this old baggage, all of these suitcases filled with all this old stuff, and think you're going to leap into this new life and take the leap of faith into this new life with all of this old baggage. The more baggage you bring as you leap into this new life is going to hold you down. You're not going to be able to soar. You're not going to be able to fly if you have 25 suitcases of old baggage. You have to learn to let this stuff go. You cannot take that old baggage into your new season. So I'm hoping that I'm making sense to you guys, because as I said, I didn't write anything down today. It's just me and my cup of tea and, you know, the vibes. But I really want you to think about that as you level up this year, as you glow up this year, as you start to enter into this new season of your life. Don't take that old baggage into the new season and think that you're going to be able to unpack and get different results. Bringing that old baggage is going to give you the same dramas and the same life challenges that you had before. So learning to let go and being okay with letting go and being able to feel everything that you need to feel as you let go is going to help you lay the framework so that you can authentically walk into this next season of your life free of old baggage. So that's all I have for you guys today in today's video. I hope that you were able to take some nuggets from this video and apply it to your life. Make sure you like and subscribe if you want to have these little chit chat coffee with me's, coffee and conversations, as I'm probably going to title this video, who knows. But if you like these little chats and these little mindful nuggets throughout the day, make sure you subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to be doing more videos like this. And we're just going to kind of get to the heart of the matter. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.